because you need to hear me tonight, sir. The people of the country are with me, not with you. And let me tell you why. We have Professor Santosh Mehrotra on the program. Today he's a visiting professor at a British university, I think. But at one point of time, he was also working with the government of India. I don't know if he still does. He was holding a high position in the Planning Commission. Am I correct, sir? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
What was the position?
I worked with the... Yes. I was a secretary to the Government of India in the Planning Commission, and I wrote the design for the socio-economic and caste census, which is being used by the BJP government and the state governments of the whole country for identifying poor people.
Okay,
so
now
I
therefore, if you allow me, sir, I want to, therefore, given that background, which you have yourself stated on the program tonight, I would argue that using your own logic, you had no right to hold that position unless you were a Dalit. You have no empathy. You have no empathy. Don't laugh it off, sir, because you're the person you are. 1 minute. The logic that Rahul Gandhi has used, that unless you are a Dalit or a Muslim, you will not understand what a Dalit or Muslim goes through.
Yes.
You are not a Dalit, you are not a Muslim, you had no right, according to Rahul Gandhi's logic, to be in that position. Neither did Jean Drèze have to be in the National Advisory Council, since he's neither a Dalit nor a Muslim. So the shoe pinches on the other foot, and Santosh Mehrotra has nothing to respond right now. Because he understands that when I'm using that logic and I'm saying that he has no merit, his merit doesn't matter, his background doesn't matter, he will throw a fit tonight. He will throw a fit tonight because when I throw that logic at him, he realizes how wrong that logic is. He realizes how warped it is, and he realizes that the logic of caste cannot be implemented on anything. He realizes that polarization is bad. He realizes that being toxic is bad, and he walks off the program tonight, ladies and gentlemen, because he has no answers. Watch that, viewers. You see, when I give that example to Santosh Mehrotra, he goes into a rage. Mr. Paswan, he runs away. When I say, oh, but you were Secretary, Government of India. I didn't even ask whether he was a lateral entry.
Excellent point.
I didn't even ask whether he was a lateral entry or whether he's an IAS officer. But whether he was a lateral entry or not, Jean Drèze is not a Dalit. Jean Drèze is not a Muslim. देखिए अभी जब ये सवाल किया जाता सब हिल जाते हैं, एक निकल के अब पाशा जी सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे पाएंगे. ये सही बात है, ये सही बात है. और बात यह है कि हर चीज नहीं ये जोक नहीं है अभी पाशा जी, हर चीज पे नहीं देखिए नहीं बहुत हो गया, हम तोड़ने नहीं देंगे. We will not let our country break like this. We will fight this. We will fight this. We will not let our army be broken. We will not let our judiciary be broken. We will not let our universities be broken. We will not let our Indian railways be broken. You can't break everything. We have taken, sir, let me tell you, we have taken 75 years after 200 years of British rule to make the country independent. We will not allow this.